Hello, my name is Kenny Elkins. I'm from Gainsville, Florida, and I'm a technician for the Best Restoration. I've been in the industry for a little over 5 years now. I'd like to take a minute to talk to you about a guy named Eric from morningtechmeeting.com and how he has helped me as a technician to deal with my everyday jobs. He teaches you how to communicate and talk to your customers, what to expect, and the do's and don'ts. He also teaches you the importance of keeping your truck and tools clean, being that you are going to a customer's house and you are going inside. It is important that you keep your truck clean inside and out, and it's important that you keep your tools and your equipment clean, being that you're going into their environment. You want to let them know that you want to respect their stuff as if you would respect yours. It also teaches you the importance of DISC. The DISC program teaches you how to read and communicate with people a lot easier, being that everybody is wired different. Everybody sees stuff different, they work at a different pace, and they communicate with people a lot different. So it teaches you how to talk to people and how to read them a lot more. Well, I highly recommend this for any company, big or small. Like I said, his name is Eric from morningtechmeeting.com, and he has helped our business here at the Best Restoration a lot. Thank you very much.